Friends, Neha here and welcome back to Happiness Project episode 12. Today I'm going to share a very unusual secret. And the thing is, you know it, but still. So, this is not about how to be happy, but it is about why you're not happy. So, friends, let me share a story first. There was a boy and there was a girl. Boy had marbles, girl had sweets. Boy went to girl and he said that I'll give you all my marbles, you give me all your sweets. Girl agreed. So what boy did is he kept the biggest and most beautiful blue colored marble with himself and gave all the others. Girl, as promised, she gave all the sweets to the boy. At night, girl was sleeping very peacefully, but boy was very restless. Yes, friends. चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. He thought I was cheated. Maybe girl must have kept most biggest and most yummiest, tastiest sweet with her and she gave me others. So this is unfair. I'm cheated. Yes, friends. ऐसा ही कुछ हम हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी करते हैं. Since childhood, we are built upon moral code. Everybody has some principles, moral codes. And slowly, as we grow older, we kind of get away from them. There is a difference between our action and our thoughts. And this is the reason why we are restless. Maybe due to environmental pressure, peer pressure, for example, like in office, there is some manipulation of data which you're doing. Maybe it's not a big deal, it won't hurt anybody, but still, doing that manipulation is not acceptable to your heart, but you do it because maybe your boss is saying or because everybody is doing that. So this is kind of small example, but trust me, friends, this small gap will get wider and wider and wider, and it will create chaos in your mind. The difference between the action and your thoughts, they are continuously fighting. You are doing some actions which are not acceptable to your mind, your heart. So obviously you will be angry, you will be irritated, you will be agitated, and you are not accepting yourself. How you will love yourself when you are breaking your own damn set of rules? So friends, trust me, it's worth it. Maybe world has been unfair to you, or maybe you will be treated differently, or maybe you will be under thought as a loser, that you're not winning because you're not cheating like others. But it's not worth it, friends. Let them do, because you're the one who will be peace at your heart, not them. So friends, this is a very big deal for me, because somewhere I had the same issue. That was the reason for all the chaos in my mind, and I have found it out, I have sorted it out, and I have decided to follow my heart. Whatever may be the sequences, I'm ready for them. So friends, I hope you think about this. Just when you'll go to sleep, think what was your moral code, where are you standing right now, are you following it, or maybe that's the reason of your restlessness. Let me know in the comment section. Bye.